This week on Basic Mechanic, we're going to finish welding the frame. Also, we're going to make more parts we need.
I have the frame flipped over now. I'm working on welding the bottoms. Seen the video. I ground it off on an angle, made a piece, I'm going to weld it in, and I'm actually going to weld in another support here. You can see on this side I actually just welded another support on the inside and welded the whole assembly up. Over on the other brackets I laid a bead of weld on both sides. If you do notice, I put tubes between them and bolted them together so that way there when I'm welding hopefully they won't move on me. Okay, here we are. All the brackets are welded in. See that one? See the rear one there. The front one here, we just see the bottom of it. And then the back. See, that's the one on the back side. Next, we got to put the engine back in. Start working on the bottom bracketry. And I have to start working on the back shaft plate. We're going to start working on the tubes to re-support it. One section of the tubes is going to be removable, and that's going to be the fun part. We also made these, the round pieces, and what we're going to do is we're going to bolt them together. We're going to turn them, mount them in the frame, so that we can, I can turn that so you can watch. Right, so you have to keep it as steady as you can. We're going to mount them in the frame so we can make at least the other side of the frame come out. This side, I think we're just going to weld in a tube from here up to here, and I think I'm going to do a tube from here. Can you see? Okay, we got to make sure. Picture. I'm going to weld a tube from here up into here, and then I'm going to weld a tube from here up into here, which we haven't made yet. And this here is the other plate I made, which we have to weld in next. It's going to hold the back shaft. And we will be fitting in the gears and stuff in an upcoming episode. I made the brackets here to go in the back of the engine, and this one goes in the front. This one you can see that I curved it because it was going to hit in here, so I figured, well, I just curve it out. We made the aluminum piece in there to hold the gas for the gas tank. That adapts it from the old gas tank to the new gas tank.
Please subscribe and like, and leave a comment below.